RAM explained, the memory that forgets, even the smartest worker with the worst memory. The strange story of imagine you're preparing for the most important exam of your life. You have textbooks, notes, past questions, research papers, and only one desk. Now imagine your desk is tiny. Every few seconds, you must get up, walk to a bookshelf, find information, return to your desk, and continue working. Sounds exhausting, right? Now imagine a giant desk where everything you need is right in front of you. You work faster. You think faster. You finish faster. This simple idea is the secret behind one of the most important parts of every computer. A component that works at incredible speed. A component that temporarily remembers information. A component that instantly forgets everything when power disappears. That component is called random access memory. Today, we're going to uncover why RAM exists, how it works, and why your computer would feel painfully slow without it. Computer's big problem. Let's imagine a computer with only a CPU and storage. Whenever you open a program, the CPU needs information. The information is stored on a drive. The CPU goes to retrieve it, then returns, then goes back again, and again, and again. This would be incredibly inefficient. Even modern SSDs are much slower than the speed at which CPUs process data. The CPU would spend most of its time waiting. And a waiting CPU is wasted power. Computers needed a solution. That solution became RAM. What is RAM? RAM stands for Random Access Memory. In simple terms, RAM is temporary memory that stores information your computer is actively using. Think of storage as a giant library. Think of RAM as the desk where you're currently working. The library stores everything. The desk holds only what you need right now. The CPU works directly with the desk because it's much faster than walking back to the library every time. That's exactly what RAM does. It gives the CPU quick access to active information. WHY RAM is so fast. Imagine two situations. Situation 1. You need a book, but it's in a library 10 kilometers away. You must travel there every time. Slow. Situation 2. The book is already on your desk. Instant access. Fast. RAM is designed specifically for speed. That's why computers load frequently used data into RAM. When you're watching videos, editing documents, or playing games, everything active is placed in RAM so the CPU can access it instantly. The great memory paradox is where RAM becomes strange. RAM remembers information, but only temporarily, the moment power disappears. Everything inside RAM vanishes. Gone. Completely erased. Imagine a whiteboard that wipes itself when the lights go off. That's RAM. This is called volatile memory. Storage is different. It keeps information even when power is off. That's why your photos remain after shutdown. RAM forgets, storage remembers. What happens when you open an app? You open a web browser. What happens? Step 1. The browser exists in storage. Step 2. The operating system loads it into RAM. Step 3. The CPU processes data directly from RAM. Step 4. As you browse, more data enters RAM, images, text, videos, scripts. When you close the app, RAM is freed again. This happens all day long. WHY more RAM MS. Imagine a tiny desk. You can only place one book. You must constantly remove and replace items. Slow. Now imagine a large desk. You can spread everything out. Computers work the same way. More RAM allows more active tasks at once. This helps with gaming, video editing, multitasking, virtual machines, large files. But more RAM doesn't always mean faster speed, only when memory is needed. The RAM traffic jam. When RAM becomes full, the system struggles. It starts swapping data between RAM and storage. Slow, laggy, unresponsive. Games stutter. Apps freeze. Not because the CPU is weak but because RAM is overwhelmed. Over time, RAM has evolved. DDR3 to DDR4 to DDR5, faster, more efficient, more powerful. Yet most people never notice it. They talk about CPUs, GPUs, but forget RAM quietly powers everything. Streaming, gaming, editing, browsing. Without RAM, modern computing would collapse into extreme slowness. To put things short, your storage is the library, your CPU is the worker. RAM is the desk in between. Without them, everything slows down. It is temporary. IT is fast. IT forgets everything when power is gone. But it makes modern computing possible. So next time you open an app or play a game, remember, RAM is working silently behind the scenes, making everything instant. And even though it forgets everything, it is one of the most important inventions in computing. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we'll explore storage devices and discover why computers need both memory and permanent storage to function properly.